Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Students, today I will teach you chapter 3 of Civics, State Government. Right? First, you will read the chapter 2 times, then you will watch the video. Okay students? In this chapter, we will study about today Indian Federal Union, the Legislative Assembly, Vidhan Sabha and Legislative Council, Vidhan Parishad. Okay students? So, first of all, introduction. The Constitution of India established the federal form of government. A federal system divides the power between the central government and the state government. Okay, and there are, how many states are there in India? 28. Earlier there were 29, but now 28. Jammu Kashmir is deducted, turned into union territory, है ना? And 9 union territories in India. Earlier there were 7 union territories. Now 9. How? Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh too are increased. Right? Both the government function independently without interfering in each other's affairs. Right? At the same time, they are unified under one central authority, which is the union government. This system is known as federalism. Right? The functions and powers of state governments are clearly defined under the state list of the Constitution. The state government performs these functions through 3 organs. How many organs are there of government? 3. The legislative, the executive and the judiciary. Right? Now about the state legislature. What is state legislature? One of the important organ of state government is the legislature. The legislature is entrusted with the responsibility of making state laws. Right? The state legislator can be of 2 types. Right? Bicameral and unicameral. In bicameral legislature, the state has 2 houses known as Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Right? Vidhan Sabha. Okay. And state legislative council or Vidhan Parishad. Right? At present, only Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh. Right? Only they have bicameral legislative. Earlier Jammu and Kashmir was also have. Okay? But now they turned into union territories. So there is not. Right? Rest all other states has unicameral legislature and a unicameral legislature has only the state legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha. Now about the legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha in detail. What is Vidhan Sabha? The legislative assembly is also known as the lower house. The member of legislative assembly are known as member of legislative assembly, or we can say MLA. MLAs are direct representatives as they are elected directly by the voters of a constituency. The strength of a legislative assembly depends on the numbers of constituencies in that particular state. As per the constitution, the number of representatives cannot be more than 500 and not less than 60 only. 60. Only Goa and Mizoram, because they are smaller states, right? Only Goa and Mizoram have 40 seats, members each, right? While Sikkim has only 32 members. And every state is divided into constituencies, and like Uttar Pradesh is divided into 403 constituencies, and from each constituency one representative is elected by the voters, right? Who is the MLA of Rohtak? Mr. B.V. Batra is the MLA of Rohtak. Rohtak is also a constituency of Haryana, right? And he belongs to which party? Congress party, right? Or Congress party. And the representatives can be of any political party or independent also, right? And how government is formed, state government is formed? The political party, any political party which wins more than half of the numbers of seats in a state is in an election, right, gains the majority and forms the government, right? This is called the simple majority system, right? And a legislative assembly serves a term of 5 years. After every 5 years, election will happen again. Okay. However, under special circumstances, in term can be either dissolved by the state governor or get extended also by the parliament, right? Now about the legislative council or Vidhan Parishad, right? What is Vidhan Parishad? This is the upper house. Vidhan Sabha is the lower house and Vidhan Parishad is the upper house. With the upper house or the legislative council cannot have members more than 1/3 majority of the legislative assembly, right? The members of this house are known as members of legislative councils or MLC. There must be at least 40 members to form a legislative council. Vidhan Parishad is a permanent house. This cannot be dissolved, right? And can never be dissolved. This earlier I told you. Each member serves for a term of 6 years, right? And 1/3 of its members retire after every 2 years, right? And members are also nominated by the governor. They are from different fields, like some who are famous in the fields of art, culture, literature, science or social science. Now, what is the eligibility or qualification for the members of state legislature? Right? What should be, or in other words, what should be the qualification to become a member of Vidhan Parishad? The eligibility criteria is the same as that of the Legislative Assembly. Like, he or she must be a citizen of India. This is for everyone, right? The member of Vidhan Sabha must not be less than 25 years of age, and for Vidhan Parishad not less than 30 years of age. He or she must not hold any office of profit under the government of India or the government of any state. In simple words, we can say that he should not gain profit of any government job. He should not be on any government job, right? And the next eligibility is he or she must not be of unsound mind. Means his mind should be fit or have been disqualified by law for being a criminal, right? Now, presiding officers. What is presiding officers? Presiding officers means an official in charge of a polling station, right? Station at the time of election, right? Who performs the functions of presiding officers in Vidhan Parishad? They are chairman and deputy chairman. And who are the presiding officers in Vidhan Sabha? They are speaker and deputy speaker. They preside over meetings and ensure that rules are followed and vote only in case of a tie. Right? So now students, half chapter is over and the rest of the chapter I will teach you in next video next week. You will watch the video carefully, you will listen it carefully, you will do the worksheet also, worksheet 9 is also there. You will first prepare that, then without any help you will do that. Okay students, stay home, stay safe, bye.